Hey girlfriend, welcome back to my channel. I accidentally erased a lot of my footage for this video. My phone loves to threaten me with storage warnings. When the video begins, it's going to jump right in, but let me sort of tell you, a lot of my before video footage got erased, so you're only going to have the part starting up until right before I started cutting my hair. Leading up to that point, I washed my hair and put in my deep conditioner like normal. After that, while my deep conditioner was in my hair, I went ahead and detangled again like normal. And then after my hair was fully tangled with the deep conditioner, that's when I started parting off my sections to begin doing the cutting. Obviously, I'm no professional. I do still plan on getting a professional cut, but this was just something to hold me over until I get to the professional. Again, a professional is 3 hours away from me, and I can't figure out how to make my schedule align with theirs. So this is just a very temporary until I can get into the chair of a professional thing. Anyways, for sectioning, you'll see I parted ear to ear. I tried to go a little behind my ears. Now my ears aren't even symmetrical. They aren't equal on both sides of my head. So another reason why I need a professional, because my head and my ears don't even line up for me to be able to give myself a proper cut. But anyways, I sectioned my hair from ear to ear. With the front section, you'll see I just did a really basic cut for some face framing, and then for the back section, what I did is I parted straight down the middle. Think of a pumpkin, right? The lines on a pumpkin. From that middle part, I parted 2 sections from each of the sides. So that's what you'll see in the back. You'll see I had it twisted up or braided up, and that's sort of how I had it sectioned off. My thoughts were I was positioning it for a rounded shape, so that's sort of why I parted it like that. Another thing I want to warn you of, you will see it was a little noisy in the video. I had to recruit some help, so I had my family in the room with me, and they are very talkative. We are all very talkative, especially when we all get together. So you'll hear them chattering in the background. Please try not to pay too much attention, or better yet, try to just block it out completely. Hopefully you can hear me enough to get through the video. The reason for even doing this little impromptu cut was when I first started styling my hair in this little mushroom shape, my hair was never cut to support the way that I was styling it, because I was just trying to figure out how I even wanted to style my hair at that point. My hair wasn't cut to support the way that I was styling it. I had to do a lot of shaping to get it to fall the way that I wanted to fall. And then in addition to that, even after shaping it to fall the way that I wanted to fall, once my hair returned back to its normal form, it was just very uneven. So this was my effort to sort of even it out just a little bit. I think the more my hair grows in the front, the more I will like it. I think I really just want my hair to hug my face. And in order for it to do that, I have to grow a lot more hair. So the journey to long, healthy curls definitely continues. That's enough rambling for now. Let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Okay, first we're going to do the front. Let me turn my camera on. And this is how. And I seen a girl do it like this on the internet. I'll attach a video of what I seen. And she said this was sort of how you get a face framing look, so that's what we're gonna go for today. All right.
I like this. This gotta be mine.
A little bit.
Big one.
She did on my video.
You already did. Already did that. You look like anything I got, you gonna get it.
Can I be honest with y'all? I'm so tired of seeing the helmet head curly cuts. So here's a quick little hack that I thought I'd share with you guys to create a soft face frame while keeping the shape balanced. If you love this, send it to your hairstylist or book your girl. I think I'm gonna cut off all of this. I'll cut off all of that. So see what it looks like. Okay. Definitely an improvement. Okay. And then she went up. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go up and cut it up. Oh my gosh, my arms are so tired. Cut. I think it looks better.
You look like Dee.
That's the first cut. I'm gonna section this out.
So you what? I'm tired of this.
You tired of this? You ain't doing nothing. But just sitting there talking crazy.
It's gonna fall down. I'll snap it.
Okay, so now I'm going to pull these sections up and I'm gonna take a little piece of this on this side and I'm going to make sure I'll comb this out. Y'all seeing the transformation in real time. So this is my cut piece. This is the piece that I'm about to cut. And since I'm going for a rounded shape, I'm just gonna sort of hold it out at an angle.
Stop, I'm taking a nap.
And that's the cut piece. I guess.
Ooh.
So let's take this section out and okay. More of a shade. This is more of a shade.
Show me your clean.
I'm liking how it looks so far. And you're gonna have to cut it because I ain't gonna be able to do both. So here go the scissors. And I'm gonna tell you where to cut it at, okay? Don't be. Let me take a piece of this here so I can have something as a guide. This is the piece that's already cut. Move this to the side.
One, two.
Already cut section.
Another third one.
Without fading out, so it's easy to see here. Okay, oh yeah, you cut that light off, bro.
I'm scared.
Don't be.
Right here.
I'll cut right at the bottom. Cut right along where my finger is at.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Mm.
Look at this! Oh my gosh, it's forming up so well. Okay. Wait, you gotta do some more.
Oh my gosh.
I know, we couldn't get on. Alright, Hem, I'm ready for you.
Sweet.
Hold on. Yeah, right at the bottom of my finger. Yep. Refreshing. Okay, that's halfway
It's on
done.
15%.
Oh, my little phone going dead on me. Okay, y'all. So this is the one side that we did. Definitely has way more shape. I think I love it. That's what we were going for, shape, and I think we achieved that. Okay, let's do this last little side here. I'll clip this out of the way. Wow, my hair is so much shorter. I'm gonna clip that up.
Now you want to
Too
do
much in the video.
What? Wait.
Too much going on in this video.
overstimulation.
This is the hair cutting event.
It's hot here. You hot?
Yeah, I'm hot. All these lights on, girl. I'm Yay. Alright, and we only got 2 more pieces to cut.
Would you eat Korean fried chicken?
Yeah.
From watching One People?
Alright,
Yeah,
ready?
they did good though.
Or this a lot?
Perfection and last one. I love this. Just long hair, just long, it just don't make no sense. Come on, do that off. Okay. Alright, cut that off.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that is the entire head. Let's check it out and see what we're left with. Okay, now.
What is this?
Nah, I go balls. That's always close to it already. Like 4 miles. Maybe. But mom told them to fix that.
Okay, so this is our raw cut. we're gonna style it and see what we're left with. But it definitely has more shape. Let me turn to the side and the back so you can see what it looks like. The side, so definitely some lift in there. Back. See, and then this side.
Y'all know the Raisin Cane's lady?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm about to go rinse this conditioner out, style my hair, and then I'll be back after it's styled. We'll see what it looks like, and then we'll do some final little touch-ups if needed. Okay. Oh, let me show you all the hair we cut off before you go. This is what was cut off. This is actually quite a few curls here, if I do say so myself. They didn't do any holding back.
Yeah, we cut one. Yeah.
So that's what we cut off. Nice handful there. They look good and juicy. Healthy hair over everything. All right, I'll be back after I'm washing this out. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next wash day.